how to use Trello for content planning and management. Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how you can use Trello for content planning and management. Using Trello for content planning and management can streamline your editorial process and keep your team in track. So what do you do first? If you do not have a Trello account, sign up for a free Trello account which will provide all the necessary features for content management. Then after that, once you've signed up, you'll be brought to your own page where you would see a blank screen actually. That's easy if you've not done anything on your account before. But before then you see some things on the screen. Okay. So once you can see this, next step is to move to the left side of the screen and then select your board option, which is located above highlights. All right. So once you selected your board, you will be brought to the page where you would see your board. And then the next step is to set up the board, organize the board that you want to use for content planning and management. So for me, I'll be making use of this particular board here. After selecting the board, you'll be taken to the board interface. Okay. So once you're on the board interface, the next step is to organize the lists here. Organize the board with lists representing different stages of content creation. And the stages could be ideas, could be then drafting, then ready to publish, then publish, and then you can create cards for each of the content pieces. All right, for example, this add new list now, you could say ideas, all right, and then you had the card and you would attach due dates, labels, drafts, or attachments for this particular card. This is to ease your content creation process. Okay, so for example, you could say you could list out a place where you get ideas from, and it could be the forest, for example. And then after doing that, click on the pencil icon, and then you can decide to open the card. Then after opening the card, here you can decide to add a description about the forest, maybe the description to get there or how to get the ideas for in the forest. Then you can decide to assign members to this particular card. So members assigned to the particular card will be the ones that will deal majorly with the content planning part. You can attach files or links that will enable the ideas to come out well. You can add power ups, you can add button, you can make the card a template, etc. Just ensure that you arrange your board in a way that you can to be useful for your content planning. And you can add another list, and this list you could name it as drafting. All right. Then you can now decide to add a card, follow the same procedure, and then under each card, ensure you assign cards to team members to distribute the workload. Then you can use checklists within the cards to break down tasks into actionable items. And then to use checklists is very simple. Just click on the card to open up the card, and then you can see the checklist option by the right side. Then you can limit checklists. You can just name it checklist, click on add. And then after adding, you can now start typing out the duties. So using this checklist, you can now assign the workload, divide the workload to actionable items. And then once you're done with that, you can also use labels and filters. You can use the calendar power up to schedule and visualize content releases. You can also manage multiple projects using the same board, and then you can collaborate effectively with your team members. So this is basically how you can use Trello for content planning and management. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.